It's time for the lunchtime market update for Friday, March the 26th, 2021. I hope everybody's having a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, well, let's check to see where we are with the market here today. So SPX up 30 points today, so we're still getting that bullish upside action here. Weekly chart, just basically doing a reversal candle off of last week's candle. Daily chart, getting over the ADMA here today, which is great. Let's take a look at the volume here real quick on the SPY. So volume's not quite there yet, right? But it would be nice to have a high volume day over the ADMA. But it is Friday. We have been seeing low volume here today. But what this is helping inspire us is that, hey, this wave C is done. This is definitely looking like an impulsive wave up. 1, 2, 3, 4, kind of triangle right there. Might see another push here at the end of the day. Especially if you take this wave B, it basically shows that this wave C is done, that we're working on a fresh wave. Now, what does that mean? Well, it means now at this point, right, that we're basically looking at the potential extension right here, right? So if you go to here, to here, to here, for instance, you got the 1.618. We might start to reverse off of that, and a lot of folks probably get bearish on that, but I would really love to see it get above that B wave, and then we can start to look for a 618 retrace for a possible ABC wave 2 down to here, and then this thing really is going for a wave 3 up, which would be really, really nice. So we're definitely tracking that. Let's take a look at the S&P futures. So futures here, again, obviously some beautiful moves here today. Quick little short opportunities here, but some nice upside moves here today that really got some good follow-through, so great stuff there. Nice 15-hour breakout right here for a good move, and a nice push here earlier today as well. So some nice moves there. And let's take a look at the MES. So MES, basically same thing here, but let's get our geometric levels up here and see how that's holding here. We're pulling back a little bit right now, but it doesn't look too suspicious just yet. So I'll wait for it and see if it gives us a little more time on it. So let's take a look at the Qs here going in today. So Qs, again, holding over the 15-orb high, which is nice. The IWM, again, is back into the 15-orb range. The XLF, we talked about its need to kind of hold up today. It is kind of hanging out in the 15-orb range. A breakdown below the 15-orb low might not be good for the market, so we'll see how that goes today. Let's take a look at Apple. Apple has been kind of doing its thing. It gave a little bit of kind of an inverse head and shoulders breakout right here for a quick pop, but really pulled quickly back off of that. Tesla, guys, Tesla's been breaking down pretty fierce here today. We got some put flow activity in here for a nice move on Tesla, and it's still continuing to work its way down. So a real rough day here for Tesla today, but good for Tesla shorts. So good stuff there. Let's take a look and see what else we've had on our radar today. So Facebook was another one. Again, guys, keep in mind Tesla is still in a downtrend, right? So Facebook did pretty good today. It's an inside day here so far. This gave us a nice push at the open, got really, really tight in here again, and then moved again. So a decent move there on Facebook. And the other one that we had on the radar today was Shop. We pointed out last night on the bearish radar. I would say that played out pretty well. So good stuff there on Shop. Other than that, guys, we got a few chart requests out there. I always appreciate you guys sending these in. So we've got Zoom out there. So Zoom again, inside day, getting really tight here below the ADMA, so just waiting for it to get some volume and get going again. Piton, another stay-at-home name here as well. Oh, wow, it's just right at the 200-day and the ADMA, so a little bit of rough stuff there. But eventually, Piton probably will work its way up. Rocket gave another pop here today, but again, pushed back down off of the ADMA. JMIA, inside day, so just kind of blah right there, low volume. DKNG, we've been tracking this one all week, and it just has not gotten going. So nasty engulfing candle right there, and it's kind of eyeing the 50-day moving average to see how it holds there for DKNG. GME, again, just kind of looking like a potential doji sandwich here today, so we'll see how it goes going into next week. It did give a nice little gap up today. And Baidu, wow, Baidu gave a nice little dip buy at the open here, and then more continued follow through on this, and incredible stuff. These Chinese names are really just getting beat up here recently, and right to the 200-day moving average. You might see some folks start to load up on this one. I know Kathy's been buying it, so we'll see how that goes. But other than that, guys, these are some good requests out there, and we'll see how they go into the rest of the day and into next week. So thanks, guys. I appreciate it. We'll see you guys on the Market Wrap video. And until then, stay healthy out there, and remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game.